Hello and welcome to another video on Python data analysis. Today what we're going to be doing is assigning new headers to a CSV file that we import into Pandas. So we're going to be using this AmesHousing CSV file. You can use any CSV file really, but just to be consistent, you can get this CSV file from the AmesHousing dataset from Kaggle. So I'm going to be putting the link in the description where you can get the data set. So going back to the Jupyter notebook here, I'm going to run the import statement for pandas, and then I'm going to set an option that allows me to view all of the columns of my data set. Now I'm going to read the CSV file, the AmesHousing CSV file, and here we have the head of that CSV file where you can see all the headers, so order, PID, these are all column names that are assigned in this CSV file. Now the goal of this video, of this tutorial, is to figure out how to change these headers to something that we want. So for example, this order is a little bit ambiguous. So one thing that we can do is possibly change this to the word index, for example. So I'm actually going to change that now down here. Okay. So we're going to change this order to index. So we're going to look at the columns, and these are the columns. Now this is an index object, but these are the columns here. And as you can see, order is currently, the first header in our headers. Now we can get a list of the headers using the list function in Python. So we can do df columns and then encapsulate that around there, and we can get a nice list of all of the headers. And what we're going to do is we're just going to change the first header to the word index. So you can see that order has now been changed to index. And now what we're going to do is apply these new headers to the CSV file, or at least to our data frame, which has the CSV file contents in it. So first, what we're going to do is import the CSV file again into a new data frame called df new headers. So we still have the order header there. Now what we're going to do is apply the new headers to our data frame. And here you can see that we've done it, but the old headers are being understood as a row of data. And we don't want that to happen. So what we have to do is use headers 0 to override that. And so now we can see that our old headers are gone and our new headers are applied in the data frame. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that stuff. If you have a question, please put it into the comments. Maybe other people can answer it. Maybe I can answer it. And hopefully those can be solved for you.